Hello guys, welcome back. I am Dr. B.V.R. Kiramachelu, working as a chemistry faculty in Amrita Junior College, Pendurti, Visakhapatnam. Today I am going to discuss the chemical reactions and equations. Previously, we have shown that important topics in chemical reactions and equations. It is related to the types of reactions, means types of reactions like chemical combination, chemical displacement, double displacement, and decomposition reactions. And one more questions are there that I am going to discuss in this video. Predict exhalation air is hotter than inhalation air in respiration process. Generally in respiration, when we are taking the air will be in cool condition, while we are exhaling the air is in hot condition. During the respiration it absorbs heat from our respiration system and respiratory system and the body during gas exchange. That's why exhalation air is hotter than inhalation. Why do we apply paint on iron articles? Iron articles, in order to prevent corrosion. Corrosion means rusting. In order to prevent rusting or corrosion, we apply paint to iron articles. Rusting means when these metal atoms or metal when these metal items, when it interacts with air and moisture, it will contact with air and moisture, it will rust. That is called corrosion. Similarly, there is an experiment in your chapter. Why related to corrosion? Why keeping food in airtight containers? It is a topic related to rancidity. Rancidity means the food will be spoiled when it is exposed to air. That is called oxidation of food. When it is kept in airtight container, the oxidation will be slowed down. Formation of water is combination of hydrogen and oxygen. It is one type of chemical reaction. Frame any one question in this statement. Write balanced chemical equation. H2 plus O2 gives us 2H2O. What type of chemical reaction? Chemical reaction. The reaction is a chemical combination reaction. Why does the color of copper sulfate solution change when an iron nail is dipped on it? So when iron nail is dropped in blue color copper sulfate, as we know, iron is more active than copper. Copper easily displaces by iron. So copper sulfate color will be changed. Next, why is respiration considered as exothermic reaction? We know exothermic and endothermic. Exothermic heat is released and endothermic heat is absorbed. During digestion, the food what we have taken, carbohydrates, is broken down into glucose. During respiration, glucose is oxidized and liberates carbon dioxide gas. So respiration is an exothermic process. Next, what happened when an iron nail is exposed to an air atmosphere? It is related to corrosion or rusting. As we discussed in the previous question, whenever metal items reacts with oxygen and moisture, it will oxidize and forms iron oxide. That is called rust. Pose any one question on classification of chemical reaction. How many types of chemical reactions? We know 4 types. What is the opposite of combination? Combination is opposite of decomposition. And what is the difference between displacement and double displacement? Displacement is one metal atom will be displaced, and in double displacement all the metal atoms will be displaced. Pose any one question on the understanding of rancidity. Rancidity is related to food. It is a phenomenon of oxidation or reduction. We know generally it is a phenomenon of oxidation. What is meant by rancidity? Give examples of rancidity in daily life. Pose any one question about the corrosion. Is corrosion phenomena of oxidation or reduction? What is meant by corrosion? Give examples of corrosion in daily life. Next, related to rancidity, oil and fat containing food items are flushed with nitrogen. Why? As we see, the oil packets which we are taking from market, those are flushed with nitrogen. It is due to avoid oxidation, avoiding rancidity, because oil and fat contained food items are easily oxidized. They become rancid and they smell and taste. So oil and fat contained food items are flushed with nitrogen. Next, why hydrogen peroxide is kept in colored bottle? In the presence of light, as we know, hydrogen peroxide decomposes into water and oxygen, so it is kept in colored bottle. Next question, why do silver, gold and platinum not corrode in moisture? It is related to the reactivity. As we know, metal items when exposed to air and moisture, it will become uh, corrosion will happen, but these compared to other metals, the reactivity of these elements is less, as they have low in the reactivity series. So these metals have less reactivity, they don't corrode easily. So thank you. Then best wishes from Amrita Senior College, Vengutti, Visakhapatnam.